the iron temperature. Turn the heat dial to the setting most appropriate to the clothing you want to iron. Iron the blouse. Start from the collar. Lay the underside of the collar face up and smooth out the wrinkles. Run the iron from one side all the way to the other side. Then flip the collar over and iron the other side the same way. Move on to ironing the sleeve. Flatten out the sleeve. Run smooth strokes of iron to the front and the back part. Then do it again to the other sleeve. The shoulder area. Slip the blouse on the ironing board with half of the back on top. Run the iron to the shoulder area. And work your way across the front and back of the main body of the blouse. Starting with the front, work your way around the blouse. When you get to the buttons, go in between them, not over them. Then flip it over, iron the back part. Lastly, my personal favorite, iron the tie. Hang the clothing immediately after ironing.